something to mess with, huh? Alright, let's see what we gotta do today. Disposal. Gotta get the garbage disposal. Well, let's see what we can do about that. But first, coffee time. Now we're good. Alright, let's see. Well, this nightmare. Alrighty. Got a garbage disposal that won't work. Nothing. Come down here. Find the reset button under here. There it is. Push it. Now turn it on. Alright. Now I gotta get a broom handle, put down there with a hammer, a piece of dowel wood, and hit the spinning pieces and move it around to wedge it loose, and it should come back on. So all you're gonna need is your hammer. Couldn't find the broomstick handy, but hey, I found a plunger handle. And make sure you have some cut resistant gloves. I use these all the time, barbecue and everything. The first thing you do, the reason you need these anyway is because there might be pieces of glass in here, or anything really, you know, that could cut you. Broken piece of metal, a fork, you don't know what's in there, so use this, feel around in there. Okay. A little macerator dogs in there, the little things that free spin, make sure they're spinning. The rest of it's not. Could be a bone, who knows. Alright, do this. But if I wanted the macerator dogs in there, the little pieces that spin, one tap, tap over here, and if you're lucky, which Patton said you'd rather be lucky than good, right? There we go.